Here we're asked to find the real solutions of the equation x minus the square root of x plus 3 equals x over 2. That's an x over 2. Solution, well, the first step, you know, is to isolate the radical. So let's move the x over to the other side. Actually, let's see. It'd be better if we move the radical to the other side. So let's add the square root of x plus 3 to both sides. And that gives us x equals the square root of x plus 3 and then plus x over 2. Now let's move the x over 2 to the other side by subtracting it. And we get, let's see, x minus x over 2 equals the square root of x plus 3. Get a common denominator on the left side. 2x over 2 equals x, minus x over 2 equals the radical. And 2x minus x is x, so we have x over 2 on the left side equals the square root of x plus 3. Okay, radical isolated now on the right side. Step 2, raise both sides to the power of the index. The index is the invisible 2 in the hook of the radical. So we're raising both sides of this equation to the second power. We're using parentheses to show we're raising the entire side. The radical on the right is eliminated, and we get x squared over 4, because we square x over 2 times x over 2, equals x plus 3. Okay, now we're going to eliminate the fractions by multiplying both sides by the LCD 4. That leaves x squared equals 4x plus 12 when we distribute multiplication on the right side. Don't forget to distribute. Now, we move everything over to the left side because this is a second degree equation. We're going to solve by factoring. Factor the non-zero side. We're doing factor by guessing, x plus 2 times x minus 6. Set each of those factors equal to 0 since their product equals 0. We get x equals negative 2, union that answer together with x equals 6. And the important step 4, we must check to make sure our solutions are good. Well, x is not going to be equal to negative 2. It's going to fail when you plug it back into the original equation. I didn't do the work, but just take my word for it. The other one, x equals 6, does satisfy the equation. So our solution is a single solution, x equals 6.